Alright everybody, y'all been asking for a video to see if this muffler delete has any drone to it. We're gonna take a ride here in this 24 GMC AT4. It's got a 6.6 gas in it. It's raining, so of course it's not a perfect day for it, but we'll see. To me, honestly, this sounds like the Orla exhaust off of 392 6.4 liter Daytona SRT motor. It sounds just awkwardly the same. Across these railroad tracks. Get on it just a little bit. It's raining, so we're not going crazy. Slow down a little bit and let this car in front of me get out ahead of me. Alright, we want 11 mile an hour. Across top of this hill. Hopefully the rain's not too heavy. This is 9th gear, and I can hardly hear it in the cab myself, so I know you can't hear it. Give it a little gas so that you can, alright, hear everything. Yep, so just cruising around. It's got good, normal big V8 rumble when you're in the throttle, riding down the interstate, back roads. Once it gets into 8th, 9th gear, 10th gear, you really can't hear it. It's just got a nice little rumble to it. If you get on it, it's loud, as it should be. There's no muffler in the system. But these General Motors trucks have 2 cats for each 4 banks on the V8, each set of 4 cylinders. So they're pretty quiet. They're way too quiet from the factory. But if that's what you like, kudos to you. If you're towing a big RV all over the country, I'd say keep the muffler on it and enjoy the peace and quiet. But if you're just daily driving it, every now and then towing, and you like the sound of a 30 V8, this is what I would do. Alright, peace out.